This is the easiest way to send a file or document to a fax number, and it works on your iPhone, computer, Android, or just anything that you want to use. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go into the App Store or Google Play Store and get this fax free Send Fax from iPhone or Android app. There's a bunch of these apps, and you do not have to pay a dime. You just want to click on the X if it offers a subscription. And basically, what you're going to want to do is you want to go in and get your fax number, which we have right here. And basically, you're going to want to put the fax number in the very top. You can change the area code if you do want to change it to like a different country. And then you want to put your name, the sender option down here. And you can easily add any documents or files that you may want to send. And you can see right here, these are all the faxes that you've actually sent. It's basically a history log. It's very, very easy to use. And you can even add documents from camera photos, clouds, or just documents just like so. Once you've added your information, you can actually see we can add more information or just send the fax, and you can send multiple this exact same way. And this is the easiest way by far once you actually sign into your account. And as you can see, our fax has simply been sent, and we can actually change any of this information just like so. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe on this video down below, and peace out.